Hello everyone, this is Shabul Islam. In this video, we are going to talking about the best Python libraries for relational and non-relational database. In this video, we will learn what is relational and non-relational database for Python. So now we started this video. At first, we need to know about the Python libraries. Python basically Python libraries means Python database, Python framework. It In this video we need to know about the Python database. There are many types of Python database. Uh, if we divided it, then we get SQL Academy, PyScope 2, PyMySQL, Split 3, MyMongo, Cassandra Driver, Redis Py, SQL Object, and PV, SQL Semicontinuum. At first, we know about the SQL Academy. SQL Academy is estimated player in this realm or relational database management. It is object relational mapping capabilities stand on cornerstone, providing developers with the robust tool and effectively base that code and relational database. Number two is PyCop 2, tailored especially for PostgreSQL. PyCop 2 acts as a bridge between Python and their point of outsourced relational database system. It features the rich toolkit included conjunction, connection polling support or exception query execution and efficient data handling. Number three is PyMySQL. I have for PyMySQL enthusiast. PyMySQL stands out for pure Python library that enable interaction with MySQL database, simplifying the development process. It straightforward API simplifies MySQL integration, providing a smooth experience for developer. SQLite 3 Python standard libraries proudly feature SQLite 3, which offers native support for SQLite database. As a lightweight embedded database engine, SQLite is a perfectly useful scenarios involve local storage and small scale application. Number 5, PyMongo. For non-SQL enthusiasts, PyMongo is the highly rated and unlimited library for interacting with MongoDB. It presents a Python-specific interface that facilitates physical interaction with MongoDB database. Number 6, Cassandra driver. Tailored to cater to the unique needs of Apache Cassandra users, Cassandra driver emerges as a Python library that streamlines cluster connectivity, query execution, and data modeling. By offering straightforward integration of Cassandra into Python projects, the library simplifies the complexities of working with Cassandra distributed non-SQL database. Number 7, Redis Py. Serving as the vital link between Python and Redis, it's a memory data source celebrated of lighting fast performance. Redis Py facilitates integration with various Redis data structures like strings, lists, and sets. SQL object, renowned as another robust, robust object operation mapping in library. SQL object excel in simplifying database interaction, property, reclaim, and relational database. I hope in this video you all are knows about the best Python libraries for relational and non-relational database. If you thanks for watching.